Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning Talk, your weekday business news. It's Friday, July 26, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite dropped on Thursday, building on the previous session's losses as investors continue to dump some of 2024's leading technology stocks. The S&P 500 declined 28 points, or 0.51% to finish at 5,399, while the Nasdaq dropped 160 points, or 0.93% to settle at 17,181. However, the Russell 2000 gained 1.26% as investors continued their rotation into small caps. Also, the Dow Jones Industrial Average outperformed the major indices, rising 81 points or 0.2% to close at 39,935. In early trade, the 30 stock index surged nearly 585 points or about 1.5% at session highs. Investors ditched tech for a second day. Nvidia lost 1.7%, while AMD shed more than 4%. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF, SMH, was down off by nearly 2%, while Meta fell 1.7% and Microsoft slumped 2.5%. Alphabet declined more than 3%. Investors have come to view the recent declines as a sign of an overdue correction in an overbought market, which is now seeing a rotation away from mega caps, tech into small cap stocks and more cyclical areas. Investors also assessed a second quarter GDP report that showed the economy grew 2.8%, much more than the economists had expected it to grow 2.1%. In the Indian markets, profit booking continued for the fifth straight session on July 25. Benchmarks, BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty 50 closed marginally down amid F&O expiry day volatility. After a steep sell-off seen in the morning deals, both the indexes clocked a steady recovery during the day. The recovery, which was aided by strength in shares of Tata Motors, HDFC Bank, L&T, Sun Pharma and Kotak Bank, came amid the monthly F&O expiry for July derivatives series. At close, the Sensex was down 109 points or 0.14% at 80,039, and the Nifty was down just 7 points or 0.03% at 24,406. The Nifty index recovered 195 points from day's low, while the BSE Sensex saw a recovery of 560 points from the day's lows. Axis Bank, down 5.2%, was the biggest laggard in the benchmark indices, followed by Nestle India, Titan, ICICI Bank, Tata Steel, IndusInd Bank and RTC. Top Nifty gainers included Tata Motors, ONGC, SBI Life Insurance, BPCL and Sun Pharma. As of today, crude oil is up from yesterday. Brent crude is trading around $82.30 USD and NYMEX is around $78.2. Gold is trading around 2,362 in the US per ounce, whereas in India it is trading around rupees 6,362 per gram. Now, for today's outlook for the Indian market. GIFT Nifty is trading around 24,552, down 28 points or 0.12%. On the technical side, experts noted that if the Nifty decisively closes below the 24,400 level, a downward move towards 24,100 to 24,000 cannot be ruled out. Conversely, if it defends the 24,400 level, then the 24,500 to the 24,600 zone is worth watching. See you on Monday morning. Happy investing. Stay inspired. Have a lovely weekend. Remember, it's all about